I'm Jade, Finance and Insurance Manager. Today I'll be explaining the benefits of the FordPass Rewards Visa credit card. The FordPass Rewards Visa card makes it easy to rack up FordPass points on purchases you already make, such as filling up your vehicle at the pump, paying your monthly auto insurance, and dining out. Plus, you get no annual fee. And 3% back-in points on gas, auto insurance, tolls, parking and dining, 10% back-in points on Ford services, 5% back-in points on dealership purchases, and if your transaction still doesn't fall into one of these categories, you still get 1% back-in points. You can even enjoy a $200 statement credit each year after you spend $6,000 in 12 consecutive billing cycles after you open your account. Ready to sign up for yours? Visit us today at 3010 West University Drive, Edinburg, Texas for more information, or click on the link below.